The most beloved bees are the Apis honeybees and the Bombus bumbles. These bees are hard-working members of society, being the ones who pollinate our crops and make the honey we eat. Social life is not for all bees though. Some prefer to go solo. Enter the leafcutter bee, Megachielae. Like the majority of bee species, leafcutters are solitary bees. And although they don't have any delicious honey to offer us, they share some similarities with colonial bees beyond the general category of bee, namely, their hive building. These bees cut up leaves with their sharp mandibles and fashion them into long tubes with individual cells. These brood cells are where they lay their eggs. Each cell is filled with nectar and pollen collected by the hard-working bee moms for her newborn baby to feed on. However, we're not here to talk about leafcutter bees. We're here to talk about their cousins, Coelioxys, the leaf-cutting cuckoo bees. These bees are kleptoparasites, brood parasites that lay their eggs in the cells made by leafcutters. When the cuckoo egg hatches, it eats the other eggs, kills the other larvae, and feasts on the stored pollen and nectar. How do they pull that off? Coelioxys avoids suspicion through visual and behavioral mimicry. Let's look at the cuckoo leafcutter and its host side by side. Cuckoos specialize in parasitizing specific Megachielae species and have evolved to look nearly identical to their hosts, with a few exceptions. Unlike most bees, adult cuckoos feed on nectar but not pollen, so they lack the pollen-collecting scopal hairs that their hosts have on their legs. They also have pointed abdomens, earning them the nickname sharp-tailed bees. Males have a spiked abdomen, while females have an almost triangular abdomen, perfect for sawing through a leafcutter's brood cell in order to lay her parasitic eggs. The cuckoo's adaptations go beyond mere mimicry. Their internal clocks are tuned such as that the cuckoo egg hatches just before the host egg does. Though Coelioxys matches more than hatch times with their host, Coelioxys bees can even choose the sex of their offspring. Mothers place female eggs with female leafcutters, and males with males. Brood parasitism is a carefully honed craft, and Coelioxys only have a short window to lay their eggs. When the maternal leafcutter is nearly finished building the nest cell, the cuckoo leafcutter sneaks in to lay her eggs, hide them in the leafy nesting cavity, and escape undetected. If the egg is laid too early, there's a chance that the leafcutter will discover the intruder and destroy it. If the mother cuckoo waits too long, the leafcutter will put a cap on the cell, blocking the entrance. However, if this kleptoparasitism pays off, the mother is now able to carry on knowing her baby will hatch and feast the other bees' hard-earned provisions.